Do you know mathematics was first practiced in Africa, long before the modern world even existed? Yes, before there was Greece, before there was Rome, before anyone spoke of civilization elsewhere, African women were already observing, calculating, and recording the rhythms of life through numbers. From the heart of the Congo to the valleys of Eswatini, they created the earliest known mathematical tools, the Eshango bone and the Lubombo bone. These were not mere sticks. They were instruments of knowledge, over 20,000 and 40,000 years old. Each mark, each pattern, was a record of cycles, of the moon, of time, of the body. These women aligned their lives with the lunar rhythm, understanding the connection between nature, the moon, and creation itself. That was mathematics in its purest form, not taught in a classroom, but born from observation, intelligence, and harmony with nature. But today, these discoveries lie hidden in European museums. The Eshango bone rests quietly in Belgium, far from the land that gave it meaning. They say mathematics was born in Greece or perfected in Rome, but the truth is, its foundation was laid in Africa, thousands of years before those names were even written. And when we talk about numbers, let's remember, long before the so-called Arabic numerals, ancient Africans had their own systems. The Egyptians counted in tens, the Yoruba calculated with complex logic of addition and subtraction, and throughout the continent, civilizations measured time, distance, and trade with precision. So when they give us 1 month to celebrate Black history, we must remind the world, African history is not a fragment of human history. It is the root of it. Africa is not where civilization began to fade. It is where civilization began to rise. And as long as our history remains hidden, the world will continue to live in half-truths. It's time to reclaim it, not with anger, but with knowledge. Because when you know who you are, you no longer need permission to be proud.
Una dey see wetin the Western world they do. There are a lot of African history where all these people they try to erase. They won't want to make we know some of our history, some of our African history, some of the history of our ancestors, waiting they become, waiting they be before, waiting they represent. They don't want make we know this history. That's why they never they teach now. Why they know they ever they teach Africa history for schools, for Nigeria schools, for Africa. Africa histories are not being taught in our schools in Africa, and it's very wrong because these people know that if these things are being taught in school,